Configuring Authorize Net Webhook Events List is a crucial step in setting up a robust payment notification system. This tutorial will guide you through the process of configuring Authorize Net Webhook Events List in a step-by-step manner. First, you need to log in to your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Settings page. From there, click on the Webhooks option to access the Webhook Events List. The Webhook Events List is a collection of events that trigger notifications to be sent to your server. Next, you need to click on the New Webhook Subscription button to create a new Webhook subscription. Here, you will be asked to provide a name for your Webhook subscription and specify the URL that will receive the Webhook notifications. Now, you need to select the events that you want to trigger notifications for. Authorize Net provides a wide range of events to choose from, including payment authorizations, settlements, and refunds. You can select the events that are relevant to your business needs. After selecting the events, you need to configure the notification settings. This includes specifying the format of the notification, such as JSON or XML, and the authentication method, such as MD5 hash or JSON Web Token. Once you have configured the notification settings, click on the Save button to save your Webhook subscription. Authorize Net will then send a verification request to your server to verify that the URL is valid and can receive Webhook notifications. To verify the URL, you need to handle the verification request on your server and respond with a success code. This will confirm that your server can receive Webhook notifications and Authorize Net will start sending notifications for the selected events. In conclusion, configuring Authorize Net Webhook Events List is a straightforward process that requires careful selection of events and notification settings. By following these steps, you can set up a robust payment notification system that keeps you informed about important payment events. Remember to handle the verification request on your server and respond with a success code to start receiving Webhook notifications.